Hey, greetings, everyone. Hi, Dr. Lathan here. This is the first day of class, and I see most of you have logged in, and I hope that the rest of you will. And I just wanted to officially greet you and then also to share a few tips on how you can learn the Learning Management System, Canvas, and what is required of you the first week. But I'm glad you are here. So, the first thing you do, which most of you already know, you get started. You would receive a message that will tell you that you have access, and you will then be able to create your password. And once you create your password, now you will access the course, which is right here. So this is the homepage of the course, okay? So when you begin, you can take a look around. The first thing is to do is to go to the first link, and that's where you're going to see the syllabus. There's going to be an intro video from me about the course, what is expected, my bio, and also course expectations. And you can also download the bio there or the syllabus. Okay. At the bottom, you don't have to go back. You can just hit the next section. That will take you to the next module and the next link. And this is where I want everyone to get in there and introduce yourself. And we see that we got some great introductions going, and we hope that the rest of you get in there and begin introducing yourself as well. This is a place called Questions where you can post questions for anybody that is not a private matter. So this is good for you to use. Feel free and encouraged to do so, but you can call me, text me if you have anything on a private matter. This is our Kingdom Thought and Pick section. This is a space that we use to inspire one another. As you can see, we have some great thoughts going on there. I encourage you to get in there. Once you want to post your own, all you have to do is just click right into this reply, and then you will have a toolbar that comes up that allows you to the text color. You can add a video. You can even this is how you would add your picture or an image, and you can bring the picture in, and it'll upload right there into the system. So feel free to enjoy that. It's a wonderful addition to the course. Okay. So now as we begin, I want to show you the next section here. All right. This is where all the live recordings. Our first recording is going to be Thursday. Okay. 5:30 Pacific Standard Time, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. We have people from both Midwest, the East Coast, West Coast. So I'm glad to have an eclectic group from all over. So that will be the times for our recordings. Okay. And they will be placed here for those that miss to be able to recap. All right. And then the next thing that we're going to do is session one. So this is where everyone should be at starting today after you did all your introductions. We hope that you get in there, you can listen to the video, and then we're going to actually begin the actual practice of learning to vibrate high and achieving the levels of reaching heaven right here on earth. So this is where it begins. And we're going to have some readings that you read. And after each reading, there's going to be an activity post that we ask that you please participate in. And this is where we engage. Okay. And then you'll see the same another reading. We're going to talk about heaven and hell and that other place, right? And after that, there's a discussion that we have centered around that. Okay. And then the third session is the mind, body, and spirit, spiritual practices. Now, this is really awesome things that you can do that I want you to take immediate practice of. So, if you get in there, start with mindfulness and prayer. The 478 is awesome. I would like for you to try these as soon as you can get started. If you can report out by Thursday, that would be great. And if it doesn't happen for you then the following Thursday we can talk about your experience with these powerful spiritual exercises. Okay. So and then we're going to have an opportunity after you do to write about it. So there's a discussion about it. So that will be our first week. And after the first week, you'll have the web conference meeting. This is going to be in the email that I'm going to share with you. This is our web conference information that you can find. It's in the course. So it's going to be this Thursday will be our very first one. So I hope that this has helped. Just in case if you was wondering how to get around the course and what you are expected to do, and I believe it will. So thank you again. I'm going to see all of you online. Stay encouraged, vibrate high, and let's engage. Take care.